training with Praveen is very, very difficult. He's a monster. He becomes your coach. But I think it's good for yourself only.
Hey guys, warm welcome. I am Praveen Nair from bodyprocoach.com. Today we're going to talk about nutrition and the benefits of it. So actually we've got the recipe for you guys today. It's low carb Indian Kadhi. Alright, so it's time to see the recipe and let's come back.
First, we require a pan. In that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, that is desi ghee. To that, I'm going to add my methi seeds, that's about 1 teaspoon. Methi seeds are a great antioxidant and have anti-inflammatory properties. So we let the seeds flutter. Once the seeds slightly flutter, then we're going to add our curry leaves, little ginger, garlic, and half a green chilli. Now we're going to add our curry leaves. Now we're going to mix this well. This will give you a nice fragrance. Once that is well done, here I have a mug of buttermilk. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of yogurt. To that I've added 1 cup water, and I have taken 2 tablespoons of chickpeas flour, or you can call it besan, and I have blended all into a nice thin mixture. Now I'm going to pour this in the pan. So this is the curd that I have used, and to this I have added half a cup. To that I've added 1 cup water and 2 tablespoons of chickpeas flour. I'm going to add some salt to the same, and now let this simmer on medium flame for another 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to cook it with the lid covered for the next 10 minutes on slow to medium flame. And our low carb curry is almost ready. Now you see it has become slightly thicker, and now we're going to add the last 2 ingredients to it. That is asafoetida, which is hing. I'm going to add little hing to it. That's about half a teaspoon. And lastly, to give it a authentic Gujarati taste, I'm going to add zeevik stevia. That's again 1 small spoon. We're going to mix this well, and my curry is ready.
Alright, our Indian Kadhi is completely ready. Now, this has got something called as raffinose. And raffinose are soluble fiber, which is very, very important for your gut health. At the same time, this carries something called as calcium and potassium, are the n number of ingredients which can actually strengthen your bone. You want to make sure that subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I look forward to see you in the next video.